Assalamu alaikum students of class 4. Welcome to the 16th free lecture of class 4 English. Today we will be solving the words meaning of pip meets convict, and I will be assigning you some words for dictation which you will be learning, and the words meaning will be solved on your neat notebooks. Now if you I hope you have gone through the story already. If you haven't, then go read the story first thoroughly, and then find the words like the first one: tombstone, ditches, voice, throat, frightening, seized, ravenously, dreadfully, and jumped and stammered. Now look for these words and mark them, underline them for your dictation. And for the words meaning, now these meanings will be solved on your neat notebooks. Prepare pages accordingly, and with proper headings, margin lines, date and day, and start writing. Like you can copy them from your provided sheet here. Now for words for meaning: orphan, a child whose parents are dead; convict, prisoner; coarse means rough; grub means food; marsh means wet area usually covered with the small plants; ravenously means eating fast; timidly means fearfully; and for terrible means horrible. Now these words meaning will be solved on your neat notebooks, but it is highly advised that you go through the chapter first, so you can find the words for dictation and you can mark them for dictation. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.